and landing。如果你有隨身攜帶手提行李或大型物件，喺航機起飛同降落前，請確保放喺行李櫃裏面。Ensure electronic devices are switched off or set to airplane mode. Use of radios and transmitters is not allowed. If any electronic devices become trapped in your seat, please don't adjust your seat and ask our crew to help you. 請將電子用品關掉或調校到飛行模式。機艙內任何時候都唔可以使用無線電傳送設備。如果有任何電子產品攝坐喺座位裏面，請唔好擅自調校座位，並通知我哋嘅機艙服務員。You can place any small items underneath the seat in front of you. 你可以將細件嘅物件放喺前面嘅座位下。This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking or using e-cigarettes anywhere in the aircraft is against the law. 呢班係禁煙航班，喺機艙任何地方吸煙或使用電子煙都係屬於違法。Your seatbelt fastens and unfastens like this. To adjust it, pull the strap until tight. We also have seatbelts available for children under 2, and seatbelts should be worn whenever the seatbelt sign is switched on. We recommend keeping it fastened even if the sign is off in case of unexpected turbulence. 請依指示扣好或者解開安全帶。需要調校嘅時候，可以將安全帶拉緊。我哋亦有提供2歲以下嘅兒童專用安全帶。當扣上安全帶嘅風號亮起，請必須扣好安全帶。即使燈號熄滅，我哋亦建議你繼續扣好，以防遇上突發氣流。Oxygen masks will drop automatically if they're needed. Pull the mask down firmly. Remove your face covering if worn. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Adjust it to fit and breathe normally. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating, and ensure that your own mask is fitted correctly before helping others. 氧氣面罩會喺有需要嘅時候自動結下，請用力拉下面罩，蓋於你嘅口鼻上面。如你有佩戴口罩，請先除低口罩，然後將氧氣面罩調校到合適嘅位置作正常呼吸。氧氣袋無需充氣，亦能提供氧氣。請先戴好你嘅氧氣面罩，再去照顧其他人。Your life jacket is located underneath your seat. To use the life jacket, place it over your head, loop the strap around your waist, and fasten the buckle. Then pull the strap firmly to tighten it. 你嘅救生衣放置喺你嘅座椅下。穿着救生衣嘅時候，先將救生衣套喺頸部，將腰帶圍住腰並扣好，然後索緊腰帶。Only inflate your life jacket when leaving the aircraft. To inflate it, simply pull the red toggle down firmly or blow into the tube. It also has a whistle and a light. 當離開機艙嘅時候，先至將救生衣充氣。需要充氣嘅時候，只需用力拉下紅色手掣，或者用充氣管吹氣。救生衣上面附有哨子同燈。If needed, our crew will provide life jackets for children and inflatable cots for babies in emergency. 如果有需要，機艙服務員會喺緊急情況下提供兒童救生衣或嬰兒浮床。If there's an emergency, or you hear the phrase brace, brace, adopt the position shown in your safety card. 緊急情況下或者聽見 brace, brace， 請根據安全指示卡做出保護自己嘅姿勢。The escape path lighting illuminates automatically during an emergency. Please follow the crew's instructions and go to the nearest exit. Remove high-heel shoes. Leave all your personal belongings in the aircraft. 緊急情況下，逃生路線嘅照明系統會自動亮起。請遵照機艙服務員嘅指示，脫下高跟鞋，並將所有個人物品留喺飛機上，然後到最近嘅逃生出口。Our crew are pointing out the exits now. When going down the slide, sit up straight. Keep your arms in front of you and look towards the landing point. Once you have exited the aircraft, move away immediately. 機艙服務員正為你指示逃生出口。使用逃生滑梯時，請坐直，將雙手向前伸直，並望向落地嘅位置。離開機艙後，請迅速遠離飛機。Please take a look at your safety card for what to do in the unlikely event of an emergency. 請查閱你嘅安全指示卡，了解緊急事故嘅逃生程序。Now that we're almost ready for takeoff, make sure that your hand baggage and tray table are put away. Your seat should now be in the upright position and your seatbelt fastened. 我哋即將起飛，請確保你嘅手提 安全帶。Finally, and just as importantly, enjoy the journey. 最後，祝各位旅途愉快。
Cabin crew, please follow critic of check。大家好，根據香港民航處嘅最新要求，為確保航空安全，乘客嚴禁喺航班上使用鋰電池外置充電器，為其他便攜式電子裝置充電，或為外置充電器充電。同時，外置充電器亦唔可以放置於行李櫃內。如你需要任何協助，請通知我哋嘅機艙服務員，多謝各位合作。Dear passengers, according to the latest requirements by the Hong Kong Civil Aviation Department, passengers are restricted from using lithium battery power banks to charge other portable electronic devices and recharge power bank during flight. In addition, storage of power bank in the overhead compartment is also prohibited. If you need any assistance, please inform our cabin crew. Thank you for your attention.